Are you like me? You can never find what you're looking for when you need it? Well, So the utility kit, it's an all-in-one kit, everything that you need to do any of your cutting applications. So you have your cutting attachment, you have your handle, your goggles, both of your regulators, and this does come both for acetylene or for alternate fuel if you need it, a striker, your cutting tip, your guide. The kits can come either with or without hose, but if it is with the hose, it's always with a grade T. Remember, grade T is not only designed to be used with any fuel, it also has an oil-resistant and a flame-resistant coating. Now, a couple other things to remember with the utility kit. It comes with our G350 regulators, so with that, you get the color-coded knobs, the high contrast gauges, so you can see everything you need. The cutting attachment is the Victor standard of cutting attachments. One of the things you gotta always remember, Victor is all about safe. Everything we do is designed to be the safest it can be. Built-in flashback arresters, built-in check valves. The last thing I want to talk about is the bag that comes in this. This is not some flimsy bag that's just going to be disposed when you get it. This is a true tool bag that you're going to use for years and years. If you want to find out more information about the entire family of Victor products, check out these videos.